If you're looking to unlock more performance from your charger and swap that PCM, the Diablosport inTune i3 Platinum Tuner and PCM Swap Kit is a powerful solution for 2018 to 2020 6.4 liter HEMI chargers. Whether you're planning to do some bolt-on upgrades or already have some, or you just want a better driving experience, this kit gives you access to some serious tuning potential. This tuner is designed to optimize your charger's engine performance with custom or preloaded tunes for improved horsepower, torque, throttle response, and fuel efficiency. They're going to be preloaded tunes for 87, 91, and 93 octane, and this Platinum version specifically supports custom tuning using Diablosport's CMR software, which is great for users who plan to work with a tuning shop or make some extensive modifications and want a custom tune for that. The inTune i3 provides an intuitive touchscreen interface that makes navigation and tuning very simple and straightforward. It features data logging, diagnostic trouble code reading and clearing, and the ability to adjust parameters like tire size, gear ratio, and even more, all from this compact handheld device. What makes this kit unique is the inclusion of the PCM swap. Modern chargers have locked PCMs, and this package allows you to swap for a pre-unlocked PCM from Diablosport. This unlocks full tuning capability without risking your factory module, and it ensures that you're ready to flash performance tunes without any delays. The tuner itself is a compact handheld unit with a responsive color touchscreen and USB connectivity for software updates. It plugs right into your OBD2 port and makes updating those tunes a breeze. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that mid to upper $700 price range. It's a solid investment for serious performance enthusiasts looking to maximize gains and fine-tune their setup safely. The installation is plug and play on this one, so it's getting rated an easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this up and running in about 30 minutes or less. Now let's see exactly how that install process goes with an install video from one of our AmericanMuscle customers.
The tools you will need will be the i3 tuner, 10mm socket wrench, unlock PCM, 13mm socket, flathead screwdriver. So first thing you're gonna do is pull off the kicker panel down on the passenger side. And just pull, there should be 3 fasteners holding it. And then you're gonna take the bypass, picture here, and run it along the back. You're gonna take the white end and plug it into the first slot, just like that. And that allows you to do your updates. Okay, now that your gateway bypass is connected, you're gonna connect your tuner back to the OBD2 port. Wait for it to come on, and once it load up, you're gonna download your old PCM information before you change out the PCM. And once that's loaded, you're gonna just follow the directions on the tuner. And again, you just follow the directions on the tuner. Now, once everything is finished downloading the information from your old PCM to the tuner, next you're gonna install the PCM, which is a very easy. Let's get started on switching out the unlocked PCM. Next, we're gonna take off the negative wire. And once you get that off, you're gonna wrap that in a cloth just to make sure it does not touch. We're gonna change out the PCM, which is located right behind here. We have a 13mm that's up under here. We're gonna pull these 2 out the flathead, right here and right here. They're just 2 fasteners. And we'll just take the flathead and then there's the PCM right there. This is your 13mm socket. Right here, it's a 10 and another 10. Take this 13 loose. If you pull up on it, as you can see, the two 10s are holding the bracket on. You're gonna reach back here on the harness and you'll feel a little button on the top that's right behind this little lever, behind the lever. Push the lever forward. You can see, and you will see this lever right here. Feel right here on the top, and it's and that will release the bracket. You do that for the top and the bottom, and once it's out, take the bracket off. And once you get the PCM back in, the harness is back on. Once you get it back in, you're gonna put the 13mm screw back in. And once you get that in, you're gonna come back here, plug back up the negative wire. Next, we'll be installing the tuner. So we're gonna go back to the tuner. Plug this back into the OBD 2-sense port. Again, wait for it to load up. And you're gonna follow the directions on your Diablo tuner. Wait for it to load up. Wait for it. Hit this. You're gonna wait for your old PCM's information to load up onto the new PCM. Follow the direction on the screen. Now that your old PCM information is loaded up to the new unlocked PCM, tune vehicle, make sure car's in run, hit continue, and just wait for it to go through the cycle. All right, now continue. We'll go to easy tune. We'll do the 93. Yes. And now just wait for it to upload the tune. Turn the engine off. Turn the engine back on. Turn the engine off. Turn the engine back on. Apply brakes. And wait for it to finish writing tune. Turn off engine. Turn engine on. Unplug scanner, tuner, OBD2 sensor. And that will be a finished tune.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Diablosport inTune i3 Platinum Tuner and PCM swap kit for the 2018 to 2020 6.4 liter HEMI Chargers. And for all things Charger, keep it right here at American Muscle.